All right, we are taking everything down. This is our double-decker dome. We're taking that down because it's hard to do. We're gonna leave this other shade structure up for a little while because, well, it's supposed to rain again tonight, maybe tomorrow, so we need a place to hang out, and it's dry under there except where it collapsed. It's starting to dry out here, but you still can't drive, at least for another day, and then it's supposed to rain some more, so this might be us in a few days. We were planning on replacing our speakers anyway because most of them are kind of blowing out. They only last a couple burns, but hopefully our visual stuff is still good. But it's a mess.